This is a semi-hard. Gives a little bit, but technically it's a hard. It's starting to ripen. Be careful, don't cut your finger. Spin it. If you hold it like this, give it a whack and turn it, pops right out. Oops, too much noise. This is how I was taught how to take care of an avocado while it's in the shell, or its skin, whatever you want to call it. Some people take it out and do it in the bowl. But it's a lot easier doing it this way. Easy guacamole. Now just gently remove all the green. A lot easier than doing it in the bowl. Do it in the skin. And that's how easy it is. I'm doing some avocado on some tacos, so we're going to do that one. And I like to make my videos as short as possible. I hope that was informative.